fun.
Alright.
Have fun.
Jibambe bana.
Sidi kuwasha kufunga dirisha.
Na msijichome na kuni. Na mbekwe marudi mkinuka moshi.
Jeff tried to be in the front.
Mbekwe mnarudi mkinuka moshi. Msichange nguo, mwende uchafu. Niwanike mlikuwa kama.
I know your tricks. Good morning, sunshine. That's our problem. Baby, good morning.
Good morning, honey.
Did you see the sunrise at least? Hey, horsey horse. Hey, horsey horse. Huh?
Scared you so bad.
Yeah. They look so perfect. Hi guys, what's popping?
What's up, guys?
Day 2 of our camping, though I don't even think we ever documented the first one. Did we?
Nope.
Yeah. So this is very new. We got a tent, which we're gonna record. We got a tent, we got foldable chairs, and we have our boots there. But we just woke up. That's a little bit over 20 our camping stuff. We carried our laptop, cause well, we need to record vlogs. Look at our tent. How cool is that? Yeah, I can even put it up by the way. It's Jeffrey who has to do it. My husband.
I need to show you how to do that.
Ooh, look at that man. I'm so lucky. You know how the sun shows you looking so amazing. Well, you look amazing, but the sun is definitely a plus. So water that's over mess, but isn't that the beauty of camping? Jeffrey values his coffee more, so it's sitting while he's standing. And this is another foldable chair. But guess who? Guess what? Power bank, powered by Jeffrey.
Powered by me.
Yeah, it's solar power. And everything here matches my nails, baby. Look.
I know. I told you that green was gonna be a good choice.
I know, right? And then this has my husband's name.
Bullshit. That's fantastic.
That's my engagement ring. In case y'all don't know, haven't figured it out. Yeah, so guys, today is our last day of camping. It's also last day of my husband here in Kenya till next time. So yeah, we're having fun in the wherever we are.
Tell them where we're at. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Narshal and Got, something like that.
Something like something. Yep.
Hell yeah, this place was awesome.
The ranger was. We don't need the place to get.
True.
Okay, but the place is so awesome. Maybe now we're gonna decide if we're gonna give it a. Because someone else has done a vlog when they were here, an Indian or something.
Yeah. But the thing is, okay.
Mine was.
I tell you right now, they have their own transportation. We didn't know that. We took an Uber. We got here. The Uber tried to scam us because of complexions.
Yeah, there was drama.
A lot of drama, man. And the security here actually defended us. So that was really good.
Yeah. Yeah, because they were like, we are now under them, and the Uber guy.
Stay in the camera.
The Uber guy was just crazy. Okay, we were willing to pay double because we also didn't know how far this.
Yeah.
I wish we knew they had their own transport. So guys, this must be our intro and outro.
Yeah, you guys, we're doing we're gonna do the outro or the intro right now. We're doing both, but
Yeah.
like we're gonna split it.
But we really had like these places. I mean, we went night gaming, which we're gonna see soon or after, or maybe soon. I don't know if this is
we'll
the intro yet,
do
no?
it.
The one I like most is a lion. Most afraid of is a hyena. You babe?
I think the rhinoceroses are gonna be cool. Yeah. But I think I'm scared of the hippos.
Hey, I'm also scared. Hey, they had hippos. But okay, there's a grandma of mine who used to have hippos, I don't know, in her area. So she used to say when you run like, I don't know, can you just help? Like if you run like this, is it true that the hyenas won't get you? Like if you run like, No, not hyena, hippopotamus.
Yeah, it is hard to turn because the neck is stiff.
Oh.
Yeah.
You have crocodiles here?
Yeah, we have crocodile
Kai, what don't you have here?
at the river.
I tell you about mine. That's the one I'm scared of.
What?
I said,
Crocodile?
yeah.
When did you want us to camp at Mamba village then, baby?
Because they're in cages.
They're not. Are they in cages in Mamba village? Because see, you can find them huko too, like almost everywhere. Well, obviously they're caged a bit, but yeah, me, I'm always thinking maybe I came on the worst night of the year when they just let loose. There was a time I got distracted and I thought, maybe I'm recording. Like when we were at the crocodile place, the beginning when it was so tense and we were looking for the crocodile that just laid eggs or whatever. I thought I was recording. I wasn't. I was so tense. Thank God I didn't even press the record. So, just hope you've never been bitten by a python.
But python is friendly.
Is
Again, what
is
supposed to
friendly.
you know, when you are walking, you are not
Yeah, they actually sell pythons as pets.
Yeah,
Kai.
pythons are silent.
Oh, I
When
don't
they hear you
know.
stepping, they keep silent.
Yeah.
They follow the light.
Impala. Kai. That's how they. Please. Looking for a crocodile. By a lion. So let me.
Scared. One day, hyena.
Hippos.
It is silly.
But then I just remembered you said they are hippos and we're here. Okay, let me ask you, these animals cannot just come from the bush and attack us?
No, you know, like now I'm doing this. They are in themselves, they are scared.
I can die, babe. Babe, can you imagine a hippo coming right now? So crocodiles, they walk on earth. Look, which animal is that? Impalas.
They are going to attack.
Oh, there where we
Oh,
left.
these are females. I was wondering where are they?
Is it the mating season?
Not mating season, but they are separated. They are separated from here. This is their region now.
Oh, for the female.
They're safe now.
They live like... So let me ask you, the crocodile, can it follow us because of its footsteps?
No.
We're still looking for the crocodile.
When approaching here, you
Slowly. We can't hear you.
This is Bagadi River.
Magadi.
From Gom
To?
to the ocean.
Indian Ocean.
It's called as river. When
I think from Gong to Indian Ocean. Ooh. Baby, did you hear that? This river is called Magadi. It goes from here. Okay.
it goes
What's
down
that?
to the ocean. This is
Goes direct to
sorry, the
frogs.
frogs
Mhm.
and toad. That is toad. These are frogs.
Baby, hi. Wally, look at me. He's looking for the crocodile behind you. Baby, there's a crocodile. Hi, babe.
Right now here.
Okay, now I just want to see your earring.
Inside the water now.
Ooh, so sexy.
For buffalo,
Mm-hmm.
it is short, almost one feet here, but bluish. It's going on
The buffalo is blue.
bluish.
Bluish.
Yeah.
So,
For
okay,
lion, even if it is up there, but it is
you're gonna detect the eyes.
yeah, it will be blue. You see, there, lion.
Oh my god.
Come here.
Oh my god, I see that. Yeah, that's a lion.
Yeah, wait, it will blink.
And
Oh, I
that?
see it. Yeah.
That is the one now.
Okay.
You see, this
Yeah, wait, did it blink?
it is trying to what is this? When it does this. Now, when you light this fire, it goes. There's go something called breeze. It called breeze. It goes up to that line. Oh, that way. Yeah, it is trying to observe what are these. Yeah. You see? Off.
That's cool.
Guy, so that's a lion we just saw.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God.
I
Oh, it
usually
came because
follow
of the fire.
This fire, when you light this fire, it goes, you know, sea breeze,
Yeah.
you light it, it goes this way, warmth. So at the night, you go this way, you find the ballas are lighting up, warming themselves.
Cool.
Now those ones are warming themselves and they are looking water. Yes.
So let me ask you, if we cook meat, what will happen?
For me, sometimes they look that way, then you see them come, you look this way. Like that one, this is a cuck lion. It will cuck. We have how many types of lion? 3. Golden lion, golden mane lion, and cuck lion. They are here. Those are friendly. If you could see the first clip of the advert of here, you would see it. It came this way. We tracked it with the drone to the down there to the cliff, and it disappeared there. And it is shy.
Shy, the cock lion.
Yeah, it looks like you.
You call it the what lion?
You see like
Cock.
Like we call it grasshopper. You see here. So in wilderness, you must have that vision in your mind. You can see. Then you make it in your mind. Then you do. Because most of the time you will see the head this way. Then it forms in your mind. And the 60 sense also will tell you, can you look for that? Etc. So the good thing you do is just do this. That's it. You get all the eyes.
So,
And
okay.
when you feel scared and you are alone, you don't have the torch, just look this way. If your eyes come in contact, even if it is in the bush,
Run.
Really?
the things you have seen.
Okay, so animals here, like they are afraid, right? Because why would they run?
That is normally they are not associated with human beings.
So they're not going to come to the fire?
They may be
Curious.
curious to know what this is. You see now they have been there. You see? It's moving back now. They are just curious.
There's an animal. Is that still the lion?
Yeah, you see this blinking? See this blinking? Yeah.
Because it's so you looking at it.
So it is very far there. This stuff is very powerful. Sometimes you look at it, you look at the breeze. If you look at the fire there, that is their viewpoint.
That's it's the viewpoint for our fire.
For everywhere. Yeah.
So if we light this here up, their viewpoint will be the tent.
No, this is the fire.
We're just gonna look at the
fire.
fire.
This fire now, when you go up there, you'll get this warmth.
Yeah.
More especially at 5, and even this hour, it goes this way and this way.
So which animal is likely to be on this side?
Maybe giraffes sometimes.
I love. Are giraffes violent by the way?
No, they are not violent.
Yeah, because I don't think giraffes are violent. Hyenas, however,
Which
I
way
feel
does the
hyenas.
sun rise?
Right sunrise is here.
Okay, cool.
Oh.
So, yeah, cool.
So I love you better than the boys do. Than the boys do. I promise I'll love you better than the boys do, okay?
Thank you.
Wow, alright. You are so eager for my opinion with your ice cream.
I'm so excited that you love me better than guys.
Okay, can you give it to me? Okay.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. You know, it's melted. But
It's just caramel, yeah, it's good.
you like it?
Yeah, but you're hungry as fuck.
You want
You know
more?
I have the mint one, right? One last one, but I don't want more. Thank you, love. But you can finish it, yeah?
Yeah.
You're also gonna get just two spoonfuls of mine when we get back to Nairobi. Yeah, that's fine, of course, because who cares about Colston in Kenya when he's going to America? Who? Promise me you love.
About America, huh?
You're going to America?
I know, but I'm not thinking about it.
Why?
I refuse to live past it right now.
Because it has like a beach. Just admit he has like a bitch because he has for me.
Yeah, I would admit.
Mwah. Did you have fun?
Oh, I had a blast.
I love it.
I do too.
Turning raw. Did they get hungry?
They are looking for food. This is
Did
for
they eat bread?
dinner food. Dinner food.
Oh.
Dinner food.
That bird gets eaten every day, right?
Pardon?
That bird gets eaten every day. It's a Rimpana, Zama. Yep. So my baby there, you can hear him grunting. It's because we had to bring the food here because baboons are gonna steal it. The whole thing. Place it somewhere in the background. Okay, babe. Let me. Yeah, carrying a backpack. Look at that. Thank you. And if you go, you're going to be killed.
Ancestor houses. People used to live in.
Huh? Ancestors. Of which tribe? Of everyone. Those Gikuyu and Mumbis, people like this.
To live like this, you see.
Uh-huh.
Now the importance of this one,
Uh.
if you cut, you bend. It bends very nice.
You cut it and it bends.
Yeah, it bends very easy. Then you make your furniture. It grew very big. Now it have killed this one. You see the fig tree is trying to come out of this.
Yeah.
Now this one is very old now. Anytime it can fall. You see these are we call them fungus, like mushroom family. This one's now.
Mushroom.
It's a mushroom.
Ooh, this looks so perfect. So perfect. Okay. Oh. Right there. Okay. I hope he doesn't. Oh, you are so good at this stuff. How was that?
It was fun.
It was fun.
I like climbing.
Misha off? Huh? Oh no, this. The rocks. They've been like that since.
What makes this hole? Yeah, this is the rock.
He's saying it's natural. Oh, this is natural.
brought.
Mm-hmm.
You see, the green hand. They hit here. Think then they had done this.
Oh, it's a little small rod.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Basically drill it. Yeah.
I wish we had such AI-powered rocks.
I would do it.
You know, right? Just wake up and look at that all morning.
Right over on that foot level.
Yeah. Oh, damn.
Wouldn't you?
Imagine if that's your baby.
That'd be cool, right?
Yeah.
I'd do it.
Mm. Look at that. It's like literally, these stones were made to form holes just like that. Look at that when it's dry. Oh. Oh, this one looks like a heart.
Now, when heavy rain comes, this one is swept out.
To where?
What's there is
Wow.
here.
So if you see buffaloes here,
Yeah.
a drought's coming.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So right now is drought coming?
Yeah, you see, that's what the
So they don't save up like for hibernation. They just eat for now. Uh-huh. So they also know if it's drought time, can the water bodies dry up? Can the water bodies dry up?
Sometimes.
Hey, but I didn't record. Go back. Yeah, you're not gonna be anything. It's refusing to record. I recorded you going down, but I didn't get it. I'm not even. Last one. Promise. I also don't want to stick you. Huh? Yeah. Okay, come back.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Alright.
That was tricky. Go back.
Nope.
It wasn't recording. Get down my mind. Guess you didn't hear that. It's just a truck.
Yeah.
Truck. Oh God.
You know,
That was hard, wasn't it? That was hard.
A little bit higher than
Yeah. Oh, his head is gonna take us top of the cliff.
favorite fruit.
Oh,
Yeah. He actually specifically bought one. So he could go pick them in every morning.
this is for you, Roger.
for embroidery, just decoration.
Ooh.
Yeah, they make it grow more. Yeah, they propagate.
And then it becomes like for.
If it is unique, then you get more market for it.
This is good for my
This one.
later.
This one. That one. This one right
And you smell distinguished.
Huh?
They smell edible.
Is it really?
here. Yeah, it actually smells like food.
Edible. Anything edible.
Check.
But the one which is bad, it smells
You
bad.
just chew on it.
You
You swallow it or you spit it out when you're done?
You can take the saliva.
You can spit.
You hear it's like unique.
Oh God. Really? I should get some. I need to get a bunch.
They are found somewhere.
Mm.
It's only this latitude. This latitude alone.
So if you want to slim with this ones, what do you do?
Just to drink 1 cup.
Really? Yeah, it is. It's aloe vera. Yeah.
But our grandfathers,
Mm.
the way they grow very tall, the concentration of the herb is low, and then it becomes like wine. So when you say you are drinking wine, you are taking herbs. That's why they live long life.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So anything can make alcohol,
Just a bit.
basically, yeah?
That's a good deal.
That's what people call that don't make it the way our grandfathers. Egyptian bees.
What's that? Ew, that's a beautiful bird.
You gotta show that video.
Yeah. This plant, as the thing grows, it looks like this. It picks the color of its surrounding.
Yeah.
This side. Actually, you can tell it's aligned because of. And then, how many? Would you know how many there are? Two, a male and a female, or? Oh.
See now, the buffalo comes and since it's you just see small ones.
Can you imagine?
So you
That would be so tricky. Oh. Huh?
That's another Rokaira. You have seen it.
Who?
Rokaira.
Because they've seen us. So who are they letting other ants like that?
Other animals themselves.
Yeah, animals usually protect each other.
I do. Do you not want to go down there?
No, like when I move, my toes get hurt.
Yeah, it hurts my toes too. But it's still fun. That's a cool ass view.
You had a photo. I'm taking our photo here today.
This man was a dry spell. That's why they were coming here. You see the fire? What they were doing? I don't know what the meaning of it is. I don't know. There's something that they wrote. This one. It's something 1980. 1980s, you see?
1980.
1980s, yeah.
That was 1983.
So they stayed the night here, come on this side. When others are resting, meet there, others are coming.
Let me ask, why does this look like it's true? This is not true.
No, this is natural. It is leopard. They came and they ate it here.
That's a buffalo.
What?
This is a what?
This is impala.
Impala.
Made.
Impala.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not impala. How do?
Hold on.
Made.
It?
Made.
Listen. How do you know? Because of the horns.
Yeah.
Females don't have horns.
They don't have.
Yeah. Let me take some water before.
Yeah.
So that. When you match, I can get to them. Huh? You're coming. That looks cool.
Right.
Yeah. Hi, my baby.
Hey, honey.
Hi. You look so fire. So, until next.
I'm here. Yeah, I was looking at your ass, but
And I thought you were dry.
I'm doing it. No.
Yeah. So, guys, till next time. Baby, do you want to say goodbye?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that extremely pretty bird. But a very pretty bird. Well, can't even tell because it's too far. It's too far, but the closer I get. It's... Ooh, look at that perfection. Wow. How you came, two of you? Do you think they want to tell us? Hey, pretty bird. What kind of a bird is this, babe? Baby, and then there was two. Oh, bye.
You hit the wrong spot.
I saw them. Woohoo. Hi guys. Baby, what do you think this is a cactus tree?
What?
A cactus tree.
That looks like that's a dogwood tree.
Huh?
Remember I was telling you about dogwoods?
Mm-hmm.
Petals that Jesus bled on?
Yeah.
That's a dogwood tree.
Hey, this one. Okay, this tree has a meaning. You've been talking about it since you came. I didn't know it, and now it's right in front of me. That tree definitely has a meaning. So, okay, bye guys.